Welcome to the installation video for the Eroute 5003 XL electric wheelchair. Unfold the wheelchair by pushing on the sides and lifting the backrest so that the bolts fit into the slots. Make sure that the backrest is really raised correctly. Take the headrest and attach. Then tighten with the black casters. Unpack the footrests and attach. Put on the joystick. The joystick can be mounted on either the right or left side. You can see the battery level on the joystick. You can control the speed or use the horn. Attach the pads to the wheelchair using Velcro. And brake the cart. Put on the battery and connect. The package also includes a charger. You can charge the wheelchair by plugging the charger into the hole under the joystick and then into the socket. The LED light indicates the battery charge status. If the LED light is green, the battery is fully charged. You can also charge the battery directly after removal. In the package, you will find repair tools and instructions in English. Now the wheelchair is ready for use. This wheelchair has a reclining backrest that can be tilted or straightened using a lever. And also positioning footrests so that the wheelchair user can lie down completely. When folding the wheelchair, first disconnect the battery and take it off. Then remove the pads. Remove the headrest. And then fold the backrest by pressing the levers on the sides. Finally, press the wheelchair together. We hope you found this installation video helpful, and we would be happy if you let us know how satisfied you are with the wheelchair.